Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yet to another great video. Today I want us to review a survey site called Green Panthera. I have some mixed reaction with Green Panthera, but you're going to find out on my views by the end of this video. So this is Green Panthera, and if you want to create an account, this is the first page you get. So just click sign in. If you already have an account like me, if you don't have an account, just click join now. It's pretty obvious on how to register to join. Remember, I'm using Green Panthera UK account because it's UK account for Green Panthera has very high paying surveys. So once, assuming now you have created your UK Green Panthera account, just log into your account and it's very straightforward. Log into your account, you'll be taken to the survey dashboard and you'll be prompted to do your first. You're going to get a free $2 bonus when creating your Green Panthera account, and then you'll be presented with a lot of surveys and survey offer walls. So under offer walls, let it load. So under offer walls, they support InBrain and AdSense media, so you can click and work with any offer wall that you need. So I haven't registered for the InBrain, so if you are good with InBrain surveys, just click accept and continue. Click get started and you'll be there. Then they have AdSense media. There are some people who like working on AdSense media, so this is a heaven for you. You'll be getting many offers to complete, shopping. You can be able even to watch videos and get paid. You can do free trials and get paid, sign-ups, mobile apps download, gaming, finance. AdSense media is a wholesome offer wall, cutting across from surveys to other ways of making money online on their offer walls. So you can see we say unlock our high-paying surveys by creating a market research profile. So for me to start getting surveys, I have to create a profile, which I've not done. So those are the two ways of making money on. That's one way of making money on Green Panthera is through their offer wall. The second way, which is the most common with us, is doing paid surveys. You can see once you create an account, first of all, remember I said you're going to get free $2. Then you're supposed to fill up your profile surveys, and then you'll be presented with a lot of surveys here. You can see, and then if you scroll down, yes, you'll be seeing some survey panels, special survey panels here, which ranges from $1 to $20 to $2.50, $3. They also have Lucid surveys. If you're good with the Lucid surveys, they are here. Survey router. So the best account to work for Green Panthera is for the UK based account. The UK based account are very nice and they have high paying surveys. So for example, let's click which one? Let's click this one, Lucid surveys, and see what's up. So for people who like some previous survey, here you'll be having several of them under Lucid offer wall on Green Panthera. So if you come to your Green Panthera, click Lucid Booster Surveys GP, you'll be getting a lot of some previous surveys. So those people who like doing some previous surveys, this is a heaven for you. This is one of the positive things about Green Panthera. So remember, right now I'm just talking about the positive stuff. So I'm going to get to before I give my verdict on whether it's worth it to work on Green Panthera, you're going to see my full views of it. So that one is about Lucid. Then they have this one, Router. Let's see which one is this one, which offers $3. So I think Green Panthera, they have their own surveys here, and then they have some routers which they collaborate with to host on their site. So for example, this one is Prime Opinion. So they have Prime Opinion offer walls or router under their surveys. So that's one is good. So if at all they have Prime, that means earning on them is unlimited. So let's see this one. I have clicked the one for 20. So which one is this? So basically this is in-brain. Oh, well noted. So my point is all these survey up to $2. These are routers. There are various routers hosted on Green Panthera. And a UK account, you get so many routers which are high paying. Some of them are like in-brain, Prime Opinion, and some Prisio and Arusid. Remember, I just opened a few. They even have CPX, Bitrap survey, and so much more. So the only disadvantage is that once you complete a survey, let me show you what I did. They take like 7 to 14 days to add your reward. This was very heartbreaking. I really did I did one survey, and then I was told that I'm going to get my reward within the next 7 to 14 days. Remember, this is not a cash out. I completed the survey, and then I was told I'm going to get my reward within 7 to 14 days. This really discouraged me, and I stopped working on them because I like surveys where I get instant cash on my rewards so that I can be able to redeem them the way I want. So you see what they said? They said that your reward will be credited to your account after quality verification within 7 to 14 days. Not every survey technically can pass pending status directly to your list of transactions, so please do not worry. So it means there are some surveys which will require a verification for 7 to 14 days before they can be added. Before they can be added to your balance. And I think also this happened because it was my first survey on this site and I'm a new user. Maybe probably if I start using them for a continuous period of time, my reward will now be added more promptly after I finish a survey, because they will have assessed the quality of my responses. But this one, after I created an account and finished the first survey, this one which made me feel really bad, because I was expecting to get the rewards very, very fast. So another thing, now this is the other side, the cons. Remember I talked about the pros, now I'm talking about the cons. So the cons, another thing is that the minimum withdrawal is around what? Is $30. Yeah? The minimum withdrawal here is around $30. So minimum withdrawal is 30. So it will take you a lot of time. You see? Please enter the amount smaller or equal to your balance. You see? Minimum cash out here is around $30. So, but the minimum cash out of $30 is not an issue. The only issue is them taking long to credit your account, specifically for new accounts. So if you create a new account on Green Panthera and you complete your surveys, they go to pending for 7 to 14 days, waiting for verification, for quality verifications of your completed survey before they are added to your balance. And once you add it to your balance, you have to earn up to $30 for you to be able to cash out. And cash out is not instant, it takes several days. So who can work on Green Panthera? Anybody can work on Green Panthera if you like having many sites to work on and to leverage your earning, or to increase to have many sites for making money online. Green Panthera is very good for people who are patient and for newbies who are learning how to do paid online surveys. So Green Panthera can be a very good site for beginners. Remember, it doesn't ask for number verification, doesn't ask for identity verification. The only issue it takes 7 to 14 days to verify the quality of your provided responses. And cash out minimum is $30, and it takes several days for your cash out to be dropped to your account. So, but I guess about verification of your completed responses, as you do more surveys and increase your account help on Green Panthera, I think now your reward will be added more promptly to your account. So those are my honest opinion about Green Panthera. It can be a good site for beginners who like to start their journey on doing paid online surveys. Remember, once you create an account as a beginner, always fill out your profile survey. Yeah, I've not filled out my profiler because I created an account, I was given the first survey to do, and I got this, so I stopped. So always complete your profiler survey so that they can be, you can provide targeted surveys to your profile. This means that you'll be having less disqualifications because your surveys that you're going to be getting on your account will be relevant to your profile. So that's all about Green Panthera. And remember once more, once you create an account, you get free $2 for signing up bonus. So it's a very easy site to work on. The user interface is very easy, very nice. They used to have a very difficult user interface, but now they have restructured their website. It now looks very nice and very professional. They have added more routers. They have added offer walls. Right now they only have InBrain and AdSend. I'm sure they'll be adding more offer walls as we go further. So guys, that's my honest opinion or my honest review on Green Panthera. So it's an easy site to work on. So despite the reward taking long to be added, it's a good site to add among your list of earning sites. And remember, the best account to work on is a United Kingdom account. And guys, note this well, surveys cannot make you rich, but they only supplement your other sources of income. So don't do it as a full-time job, always do it as a way of supplementing your income. And if you like my content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment, share, and you can always comment under the comment section of this video. I like hearing the opinion of other people regarding Green Panthera. Guys, remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.